Let's try and be a word detective today. Welcome to Language Shapes Perception and unlock word meanings through context clues. Have you ever come across a word you didn't know while reading and tried to guess its meaning? How did you figure it out? If not, then today we will define context clues, provide different examples of the types of context clues, and practice how to identify context clues in a text. But what is a context clue? Context clues are pieces of information from the text that help us figure out the meaning of unfamiliar words. Imagine you're a detective gathering clues from the sentences around the unknown word to make an educated guess about its definition. There are different types of context clues, but today we will only mention three of them: definition context clues, synonym context clues, and antonym context clues. This type of clue is when the meaning of the word is directly stated in the text. The sentences actually contain the definition of climate change. For example, climate change, which refers to long term shifts in temperature and weather patterns, results in changes to ecosystem and the environment. And as you can see here, this is the definition: long term shifts in temperature and weather patterns. So the definition of that word is inside the sentence. Another context clue is synonym context clues. In this type of context clues, there's another word in the text that has a similar meaning to the unknown word. The synonym for the term extinction is in this sentence. Can you try and figure it out? What's the clue? Where is the clue here? Another word in the text has a similar meaning to the unknown word. In this example, eradication has a similar meaning to extinction. For example, the effect of climate change could lead to the extinction or complete eradication of certain species on this planet. Antonym is another type of context clues. This context clue is when there is another word in the text that means the opposite as the unfamiliar word. The antonym of drought is somewhere in this sentence. Can you try and find the antonym context clue here? Whereas some regions are experiencing prolonged droughts, there are other areas across the globe that are enduring devastating floods. While a flood means an overflowing of water, a drought is a period of very dry weather. The term drought would be the opposite of floods. That's why these are called antonyms. Now let's try and uncover some context clues. Read the following sentences carefully. Each sentence contains an unfamiliar word. Let's think about the meaning of the unfamiliar words and identify them using context clues, the ones that we just learned. As the hurricane approached, the ocean's surface was filled with turbulence, an unsteady, violent movement, making it dangerous for ships to navigate. Now, the question is, what is the meaning of the underlined word? What type of context clue is used here? The underlined word is turbulence. Let's try and answer that together. I'm pretty sure you all guessed it by now. The word turbulence means an unsteady, violent movement. And the type of clue here is definition context clue. Here we have another example. After 10 hours of heavy rainfall, the wind and rain of the storm did not abate. Rather, they began to intensify. What is the meaning of the underlined word? What type of context clue is used here? Let's take a few seconds to guess. Here, the word abate is supposed to be an unknown or unfamiliar word. It means to decrease or slow down. Antonym context clue. Here we have another example. Expert described the hurricane as destabilizing or disruptive, as it caused widespread destruction in coastal areas. What is the meaning of the underlined word, destabilizing, and what type of context clue is used here? And the answer is synonym context clue is used here, and the synonym of destabilizing is disruptive. Here's a short summary of what we just discussed. Context clues are tools for understanding and deciphering unknown words while reading, whether that's a normal, regular reading or if it's an academic passage. Another thing worth mentioning is that there are different types of context clues: definition context clues, synonym context clues, and antonym context clues. And this is it for today. If you have similar examples, you can comment down below and give us your thoughts. You can also add your references to those examples down below. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe if you like our content. Till next time, take care.